Hi, welcome back to another video from Java for Beginners course from Course Labs. In this video, we're going to talk about final keyword. First, let's create a variable. Let's say the value of this particular variable a is 12, which is an integer, and I just want to increment this to a++, which is going to become 13. Now I just want to display this value here, system.out.println, and let's say a. Now if I just make this, first let's create an object mobile, and object is going to be new mobile, and let's say obj dot display, and if everything goes fine we should see 13 in the output. Let's check it out. So I'm just running this program. If you just scroll up, see that the value is 13. Now if there is a situation where you don't want this particular value to be modified by anyone in this particular program, you can make it final. If you notice this, the moment I made this variable final, there is an error which is getting triggered, which means since this variable is final, we can't make any changes to this, right? That is the usage of final. So similarly, this particular final keyword can be applied to method declarations as well as classes. If a method is declared as final, we can't override the method. When we talk about inheritance, we'll discuss about method overriding. So if there is a method which is declared as final, that method overriding concept is not possible. Similarly, if a class is declared as final, this particular class cannot be extended, right? So that is the usage of this final keyword, right? So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next video.